ko makita. Mayong adlaw sa tanan Little Fam. This is Klein, yung admin sa Little Faith. Today, I am very thankful for the Lord for giving us a very good day, a very good scene. Padulong ko pa uli from work, and mapasalamaton kay ko kay iya kong gisugat o inaani kanindot nga view. I don't know if normal la ba ni sa mga gidere, normal la ba ni sa mga taga diri nga area. However, I surely do hope nga they do really appreciate this scene, and especially look at that house over there. Naay balay dira Little Fam, and imagine napalibutan ka og grass, napalibutan ka og rice fields, and then muna yung view pagka morning. Wow, it's just very refreshing lang jud kayo, especially from ikaw gikan nga from work, and then excited ka muli to see your family, and then sugatong puyog kang irani. Thank you kay Lord for giving me this life, although di dyan ako ni kalimtang ingon, although dagang pagsulay, but you still never fail to remind me that you love me. Pinaagi sa imuhang binuhat. Anyway, Little Fam, I'll give you the view to enjoy, and I hope you love it. Ako sa Plastaron.